TCI's multiple assessment feature enhancement enables you to administer retakes to students who would like to better their test scores. Let's say you assigned a test to all of your students. Following completion of the test, some students did not do as well as they would have liked and would like to retake the test. You can do this by simply creating a whole new test for the retake. Or you could create a randomized copy of the original test. Whatever you choose, be sure to give the test an easily identifiable label. Create a whole new assignment, selecting only those students who are retaking the test and assign the test to them. Once these students have completed their test and you have graded them, their test scores will now show up under the appropriate test label in your grades section. And finally, this is the view of the grades section of a student who retook a test.
You can mix and match all of the techniques we showed you to assess your students' understanding of the lesson material. No matter what teaching methodology you use, TCI is here to help and support you by providing you with the best tools possible. We hope you found this series of tutorials on multiple assessment feature enhancement useful.